So we can start with front plane. Yeah. Go to sketch, take rectangle center, so that we can have a rectangle first, this part. Yes. Okay. Then we can click OK. Yeah. We can go to extrude in this case. Yeah. Let's tie 15. Yeah. We can change later when we have accurate dimension. Then click OK. Yeah. Now we can choose the face in order to draw a circle. Then we can cut from this surface. Yeah. Okay. So Control 8. Now we select surface. We go to sketch. Yeah. We start with circle draw. Yeah. So try to align this a little bit. Yeah. Now we have circle draw. We can go directly to feature extruded cut, and we can choose through all from direction. Okay. Click OK. Now we have this. Yeah. Then we can try to select face again. In this case, okay. We can try to select this face and we draw this shape. So select face, Control 8 to get normal view, and then go to sketch. This time we can choose line. Yeah. And we can start. Yeah. We can start from here. It's okay. Yeah. And we try to get this shape. Yeah. Roughly. Yeah. Then we can complete the look. Yeah. Okay. Now we only use line again, back to line. And what we need to do is to change a little bit. Yeah. The relation. Yeah. Okay. So here, yeah, we can click OK and look at this line. Look at this line. Is it really horizontal? So we can select the line, and then we can choose horizontal, and it turns to horizontal for us. Yeah. Also, we have this line and this line, which is supposed to be equal. Right? We select both lines, and then SolidWorks asks us or offer us option. Yeah? We can select equal. Yeah. So in this case, it will be equal. Right? Yeah. Okay. And we can also do the same for other line. For example, this line, if we think they should be equal, we can select equal. Yeah. Now they have equal dimension. And this line, we can choose parallel. Yeah. Okay, so SolidWorks give us a warning, yeah, or a message that we already have parallelism, so we don't need. We can Control Z, yeah, to turn back. Okay, so now we can click OK and Control 7 to see the 3D view or isometric view. Then from there you can choose extruded, yeah, and you can type 10, yeah, if you think it's around that dimension. Yeah. And now we have the 3D object C, yeah, that we saw on the table. Okay, we can try to save, yeah, so that we have a logbook. Yeah. Okay, then everything saved.